Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer money from Afterpay to your bank account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Afterpay primarily functions as a buy now pay later service, meaning you can split payments for purchases into installments. It does not offer a direct transfer of funds from the Afterpay platform to your bank account, which means you cannot directly transfer your money from Afterpay to your bank account. If you need to transfer funds, you would typically need to make a purchase through Afterpay and then use the funds for that purchase or explore alternative methods like a cash advance if available. If you have an Afterpay Plus Card, it allows broader spending options, but it's not the same as direct cash advance or a transfer of funds to your bank. So if you need cash, consider exploring alternate options like cash advance from your credit card or personal loan. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.